Good morning, guys. Walking this cold trip from the bathroom to my room. Oh, yes, this room, I guess. There's no proper way to open this. Back and forth and back and forth. I go in and out like 20 times a day. I mean, yes, we're getting ready to go to inner Copenhagen. I mean, not that we're in outer Copenhagen or anything like that. What was I getting? My cup of tea. Might as well take my dirty plate with me. Get it all done. And back to the kitchen. It's so nice with no snow. I'm really excited. I can tell I'm gonna be camping really soon. I mean, it's still like 1 degree, 2-3 degrees at night. Not quite enough for a comfortable night with my equipment. But give it a few more weeks, I should be fine. Huh? Me and Jess are going to the train station now. We ended up leaving a little too late. We only got like 3 minutes. We ended up hanging out with our other friend. We gotta catch the train. Let's hurry up.
Det fint, og sænger han nogle muligheder.
Ja, det er vildt nok.
Jeg har godt fikset stof. Ej, den er fucking glad for, mand.
Ja, det kan jeg godt forstå.
Hvis man har den A-nøgle og B-nøgle, så kan man altså komme langt.
Det var sgu en voldsom tur. Me and Jess separated. He had to go do something else. I'm in the metro now. Going close to where I used to live in Denmark once. Now we're going to Husum, to my cousin's place. I got this bike charger for a friend of mine. Because he lives far away and he's kind of broke, a Ukrainian guy. You've probably seen him in some of the recordings. Yeah, I'm gonna give that for him so he can get his e-bike up and running again. But first I'm gonna charge up some other batteries. I think, no, maybe not. Guys, I'm in Husum now. Going home to my cousin's place. And yeah, just gonna go say hi to everyone, and then I gotta go pick up some packages that weren't delivered to the door, so I have to go pick them up in Tingbjerg or something nearby. So a little bit of a walk, maybe a talk too. I said a quick hi to everyone there. Now I'm going over to Tingbjerg, where I used to live, to pick up a package. There's still quite a bit of snow in here. I'm glad I didn't bring my wheel. I know it's not like a dangerous level right here, but I'm just not a big fan. But yeah, I'm gonna go pick up, I don't know exactly what it is. If it's the water repellent treatment for my jacket, or if it's this special type of soap I bought that is like not that bad for the environment. It's like biodegradable and you can use it for a bunch of different things, like laundry detergent, washing your hands, washing your hair, doing the dishes. It's gonna be my everything soap. I'm gonna replace all my other individual soap containers I'm carrying. They have a high water content, so it's just a lot of dead weight to be carrying. This stuff is concentrated. And the scrubber bag also arrived. The product I'm gonna do my laundry in. So I'm pretty excited. Just picking up some packages. I'm either gonna eat at my family's place or go get a durum. I'm not exactly sure right now. I'm just enjoying how it's not completely freezing anymore. I mean, it's still cold, don't get me wrong. I'm definitely not ready to move out into nature right now. I mean, I could if it was a matter of life and death. Of course, I would have just done it. But I'm trying to make life easier for myself here. I'm trying to acquire all the equipment that I got on my wish list. I'm pretty close now. Pretty close. If I get this money, that fingers crossed and knock on wood. Let's hope I get that money. Then I'll get the rest of the stuff on my list. At that point, all I have to worry about is just money for food and maybe for the weather to get a little better for something like solar panels to start being effective. But it's looking like I can become the Solarpunk 1, the name I got on my channel. It looks like that's gonna happen this year, already within the first year. I did not see that coming, but I'm so glad. I'm thankful to everyone who helped me out on the way. But let's see, maybe something goes wrong with this welfare money from the government. But shit's looking good, pretty good right now. To Tingbia we go. Alright guys, I picked up the package. Let's go get something to eat. I'm gonna see if my aunt cooked something. If not, I'm gonna go get a durum and then return back home. I guess it's home temporarily. I just got my shoes and my jacket off at my family's place, and then I see on the travel plan app that I gotta start going now because they're doing some work on the tracks, and that just means it's gonna be absolute hell getting all the way back home. And I don't want to end up in a situation where I have to walk that shit. Like, I don't even have a bicycle to roll some of the way this time. I'm not doing that 18-kilometer thing again, so I'm just going right away. I got like 20 minutes to make it to the station. I think I'm gonna grab a durum on the way there. They got really good durum here, and it's fast, it's cheap, it's pretty good. I'm gonna do that now, guys. That was close. Almost didn't make it. I basically power walked over here while eating a durum. Delicious with chili, but I didn't get anything to drink. I'm starting to regret that. But I have to get off here at the airport. Maybe I'll get something to drink there. Just going home now. That one's just coming from where I'm going to. And then mine's gonna show up here any minute now. Here we go. Final train. And I made it. Finally done with all the traveling for today. I feel like I've been in a train all day. Well, it's not even that late. Well, let's get home. See if me and Yes's common friend wants to hang out. He's usually down. I've been listening to City Pop for the past hour or so. Check out what I picked up today, secondhand, for cheap. I'm gonna use this to charge up the e-bike battery, and then people are gonna be able to use an e-bike here, because now we got the bike and the battery and the charger. Let's see if it works. Moment of truth, it does. Hey, that's cool. That's pretty good. And then next we got the scrubber bag for doing my laundry in. Let's open it up. Gotta remember how to fold this thing up. Yeah, this is nice, with an internal washing board and a little window here you can see through. And of course it's completely water and airtight, so you can scrub your laundry in here. And it's got a little vent there for taking some of the air out, so you can actually like massage your clothes around like this. I'm very happy with this. Been looking forward to getting a portable washing machine. Then I got this thing, which is a special type of detergent you apply before you apply this stuff, which is a spray-on for soft shell fabrics to waterproof them, like for instance my jacket. So I'm gonna completely waterproof my jacket, wash it with this stuff, see if maybe if Yes has a jacket he wants waterproofed, and then I'm gonna spray it down with this stuff, and hopefully it'll be waterproof by then. But yeah, that's basically what I went and did today. Oh yeah, one more thing. Here we go. Let me take the plastic out. Here we go. The Dr. Bronner's 18-in-1 soap. It does seem a little more watery than I thought it would be, but should be pretty concentrated, and you can use it for just about anything. Shampoo, hands, detergent for laundry, all kinds of stuff. And it's, let's see the smell. Oh, there's a seal in there. Oh well, I'm just gonna keep the seal there. I'm not gonna use it anytime soon. Well, actually, maybe in a few weeks I will. It all just depends on the weather getting better, because now I got everything except for the electric unicycle stuff. Like the pedals, the power pads, and then of course the solar panels. But hopefully I'll be able to afford that soon. I'm gonna send a message to my friend, see if he doesn't want to hang out. If not, I'm just gonna chill here, drink some soda.